Sawlogs plastic hubs. Welcome to my humble shop. Boys and girls, get the popcorn ready. We're going to have a show. How's Waters? King of Delrin is at it again. I got to make a quick spacer up for one of these vintage race cars, and I happen to have this big piece of Delrin, and that's what we're going to use. So I'm going to trim it down to the front face first, and we're going to make it. Hope y'all enjoy the show. Sit back, get your friends, the neighbors, everybody up. You two Everett up there in Canada, stop on by. So you guys come on by, have a good visit. We'll get this made up. Come along for the ride. It's a nice, simple, quick project. This is a similar spacer that I've made before, but I need to make it a certain thickness, and I got Delrin, so that's what we're going to do. A couple of things. Normally with Delrin, I usually turn my aluminum. I usually turn this. This ain't got to be an exact one. It's got to be 5 inches. I have to look at my drawing on the phone. It's got to be 5 inches and 1/8 OD. So that means 5 inches, 125 thousandths. And we got a ways to go according to my Brown and Sharps. So that's the first thing we're going to do is take some passes here. By the way, I'm just using the regular steel insert today. Normally I like to use the same type insert that I cut aluminum with to cut Delrin, but the problem I have is this is such a big diameter, my other tool hangs out so much, so I'll just do that. Fight the bird nesters today and clean them as I go. This is a one-off deal. I don't have to worry about it. All it's going to do is space a pulley out on a race car. So let me get her wound down something. Show you another pass. We just take pretty good cuts. Delrin is really easy to cut. I've got this. I'm not even went and measured the width yet. What I'll do is I'll either bandsaw it or whatever, being it's so thick. When I get to the point I want to cut it down. I got to drill this thing out and boil it and all kind of good stuff to it. Now I got about 400 thousandths to cut off. Get close. I know that's a lot of weight. What you're doing is, with me, I've got a lot of this material from my previous job. It's been laying around. This here was brought home. It was some sort of a fixture that they used to hold gaskets and stuff. And so that's what this is. You just keep cutting. I just turned it down. I'm about 5 under, which is fine. This is just it was just a decimal dimension I was given. He said he needed it 5 1/8. So now we just we'll punch a center in it, and then we'll drill it. So let me get it together. We got to get a 2.5 inch hole through this thing. Take a spank drill and punch her out. This is Delrin. It ain't no big deal. We just roll it through there. Might take several passes. My spade drill on. Maybe I didn't make mine perfect. We'll take a spade drill, put a hole in it, and we'll do some more. Alright. So I think I gotta take several passes to get in there and clear it. There's not a lot of clearance room for it, but we're going to get it done. We'll get it done right out the back. Alright, we got a hole. Go ahead there, folks. 2.5-inch bore in it. Take this large boring bar that I have and make some passes to get some of this carved out. All we're doing is hog this material out. One thing I like to do when I'm working thoroughly is go ahead and pick it up as I can. I mean, I know I got a long way to go, so. What the customer's going to do with this is transfer punch the holes, by the way, so I ain't got to do that. Measured it and it's got about 900 thousandths, so, which is in a good ways. So we're going to just take another good shot at it. And that ought to get us somewhere over 2 inches. We got to be 2.5, 2 inches, 500 thousandths, somewhere in the neighborhood, you know. Oh yeah, we ain't even made 2 inches yet. All right, let me just keep going. Okay, and wanted it 2.5 inches, and I made this 10 over, which is, this is a spacer. It's what it is. It's not a lot of tolerance to it. So now we'll go have to turn it around. I'll have to deburr this, and let me get that deburred and flip it. Okay, I'd encourage you, if you ain't already got one, make you a fixture like this. It's been the handiest thing in my shop. And one thing I'm going to stress while this is sawing, and is this is a home shop, and this is a charity shop. And this is recycled material. Basically, I got a lot of material from my former employer before I retired 5 years ago. And some of this was destined to be trash. So this particular piece is laying out there in the bin. So that's what we're doing. We're just making it up out of what we have. I mean, you know, a friend of mine called me and he's done work for me and he's helped me out. This is actually for a friend of a friend. I said, well, yeah, I have somehow charged a little bit to cover the material and I had to get a hold of something. But not nearly what it costs to make these. And I had a 5/8 flat piece, I'd have made it the other way, but I don't. So let's let the saw do its thing right there. I'm getting it screwed up now, I'm getting the cuts off of it. Saws are not perfect, and you're trying to use that texture, and the saw don't work down very good. I really need a really coarse blade to saw. I'm trying to get it kind of when we can somewhat see what we've got. Alright. Right, on the C there, you see. Alright, let me see what I look like here at the scale. I'm going to count. Hey, this is the last pass right here. Here down to 625. I cut it purposely long for a reason. That reason was to allow for the saw to be something as heavy. I don't know whether this is Delrin or HP or high density polyurethane. It's something like this. I don't know if it's acetal or but we will see here. Check the size of it. It's a little thick. A 15 thousandths thick. Go in here and take us a little skim cut of about 15 thousandths. We'll have this thing whooped out. This will be ready to go. Ready to go. Customer's going to transfer punch the holes off this and good. Off the pulleys or whatever, they're going to put this on there to use the space. The reason I decided to make it out of Delrin, that's exactly what I had to get what we need. Right at it. Look, it's pretty close. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm not happy with it. I'm not sure where the materials are rolling off or the nose radius or what. I'm going to go ahead and crank the RPM back up and just take a skim. Some way I'll have a little better feeding for pretty much there. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna call that good. It's within 5/10 thousandths of the size. Just not what I want. We'll live with it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my little simple video today. Trying a little different view. This is a little spacer. He will drill the holes in. He's going to transfer punch them. They're going to try to run Saturday night, I guess. This is for a guy. I know the guy personally. I mean, friend. The guy called me does stuff for him, but I also know the guy he's going to get this up for. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you called everybody around, said the crazy old man back making stuff again. Harold, there's more Delrin for you, buddy. So, you guys all have a great day. Tom, hope you get your shop finished. So, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the very next video. Have a great day. This is, oh, by the way, I forgot, this is a copyright production. James Dedman Sawlogs Plastic Hubs for your viewing enjoyment, entertainment, and some comic relief. I hope you didn't get too much comic relief. Have a great day.